Hey, it's Matt the Old Florida Boy. Welcome to a new series that I'm premiering today. This is a premiere video on it. I'm going to call this series Woodgas Wednesday. I recently rediscovered my wood gas stove and I've been cooking on it for the last couple of times out. And I can't believe that I forgot I even had it. You know, I made it up a while back and it works really well. So here's a new series, Woodgas Wednesday. There's only 2 rules for Woodgas Wednesday. If you want to participate, please jump on the bandwagon. There's only 2 rules. Rule number 1, you got to cook everything on a wood gas stove. If you don't have one, build one. If you can't build one, buy one. But you got to cook everything on a wood gas stove. Requirement number 2 is, please don't hijack my idea and change the name just slightly and do the same thing on a different day with just a slightly changed name. Please don't hijack my idea. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't, think up something original on your own. So here we go, the first installment of Woodgas Wednesday. You're gonna like it. Let me take you over to the table and I'll show you what we're gonna cook. Okay, what would it be without the first selection being one of my favorites on our Redneck Riviera, Barbecue Vienna Sausages. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little additive to these that I think you guys are gonna recognize and know and love. And then we're gonna do them a couple of different ways. We're gonna barbecue them and then we're gonna put a couple of them on the bun. But first of all, we'll set them there. And we are gonna pop these open. All right, luckily it's got the pop top. So, pop open our Vienna sausage. Ooh. Ooh, all right. There's not a huge barbecue flavor in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. All right. So the barbecue sauce is a little thin. But the first thing they say to do is drink the juice. So I'm gonna drink the juice. That's the most disgusting thing in the world. Oh, all right, that was enough of that. Okay, now, oof, those need a little doctoring up. It's kind of a little bland, kind of a little scuzzy. All right, what would anything be with just a little bit, without just a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce? So we're gonna doctor these up. You all know me, just a drop. Put a little bit of hot sauce in there. See how that's. Ooh. We're gonna tap the can, get all the hot sauce down the bottom. All right. Oh man, that's so much better. Even that little bit of hot sauce in that bland barbecue sauce for the barbecue flavor. Man, that really woke that up. All right, so we're gonna let these sit and we're gonna let the barbecue sauce kind of roll in there and kind of get all down in all that juicy goodness. And now we're gonna go over and start our wood gasser up. All right, here we go. We're around at the wood gasser. We got the wood gasser all loaded up and we got a cotton ball in there to help us start it. I don't care how you start it, whether you use ferro rod, cotton ball, lighter, matches, just start it so we can get cooking. All right. Gonna get that cotton ball started and we're gonna get that oak twigs burning and we're gonna get our wood gasser gassing in just a second. We are already starting to smoke and then we are gonna get cooking. Okay, our wood gasser starting to gas up. That's what we need to barbecue them little weenies, is we need the flames coming out in the wood gas effect to start. So this is gonna be ready in just a couple minutes and then I'm going to show you how we're going to do these. Okay, our wood gasser's gassing. We are almost in full wood gasser mode. Look at those delicious little weenies. What we're going to do is I'm going to skewer them on this little skewer. It's about a, I don't know, 18-inch skewer that are 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to, oh man. And we're going to cook one first and then we're going to barbecue up the rest. So this should be good. All right, here we go. Our wood gasser's gassing. We are in full redneck mode. I know that's hot. Barbecue flavor Vienna sausages over an open fire. Oh man, very easy to cook. It's not going to take very long to do these guys, especially if we got them right in the flame. I can hear them sizzling up. Ooh. All right. Remember, I soaked these in hot sauce for about 5 minutes before I cook them. Oh. Oh, look at this little weenie. Oh man. All right, we're going to cook up the rest of them in the batch, then we're going to get them over to the table. All right, now we got 2 at a time. We ain't joking. We are coming out smoking. This is chain smoking. Look at that wood gasser, barbecuing little Vienna sausages over the wood gasser. Boy, these are almost done. It's almost time to eat. All right, here we go. We're nice and cooked. We're off with the fire. We got some nicely cooked weenies. We still got some of the sauce left over that we're going to put on them. We're going to add just a drop more hot sauce. All right. I'm going to swish this around with the end of our skewer. We're going to just dump our hot sauce over our weenies. Now, since this is Redneck City and I don't have my silverware, we're just going to try a weenie. Not bad. That's not bad at all. The hot sauce really wakes it up. The barbecue sauce on these is really, really thin. You know, it's not that great. The real way to do this is to do it all at once. All right. Now, we're going to add a little touch to this, and we're going to bring in a hot dog bun, and we're going to put a couple on a hot dog bun. Oh yeah. And we have not one, but 2 hot dog buns. So we're going to make a couple sandwiches and do the last one ourselves. Now, I'll be right back with those. All right, these are full of sauce. They don't really need anything else. But what would it be without a little bit of refreshments? Today we got a Land Shark Lager on sale. Two for one, 6-pack, 2 for 1 at Publix. So, we got Land Shark Lager. Let's bring you back up here. All right. Now, do a little bit of our Land Shark. That's pretty good. Now, look at this. Oh man. It's kind of just like hot dogs, you know. Oh, you know, it's the Vienna Sausage barbecue flavor. And, you know, the barbecue sauce is a little weak. I doctored it up with a little hot sauce, put them on the bun. That is good. Once again, no refrigeration needed except for the beer, you know, and I'm only doing this because I'm at home. So this you could easily stop, whip out a bun or just whip out a can of these little dudes on the trail, barbecue them up in the wood gasser, and then you got some lunch. Man, that's good. So while I eat my Vienna Sausage barbecue flavor on the first installment of Woodgas Wednesday, wishing you guys a happy quarantine or stay at home or whatever you're in for our coronavirus. Now they said we could mention that word, but everybody's feeling fine around here, so what the hell. So wishing you guys a happy Woodgas Wednesday. Let me see your recipes. I don't care what you're cooking on, cast iron, mess kit, canteen cup. I don't care if you cook it on the stove. Just use a wood gas stove. And I would really like to see what you guys come up with. So, once again, this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.